Hello everyone, welcome to Simsaad Aesthetics. I am a professional esthetician and cosmetologist. In this video, I will guide you which vitamin C foods, serums and supplements you should take for best glowing and healthy skin. From best brands to best recommendations, each and everything. So subscribe my channel to get latest updates. Section 1. Why dermatologists prioritize vitamin C for skin. Vitamin C is not just an immune booster, it is a cornerstone of dermatological skin health. Dermatologists worldwide recommend vitamin C because it is a potent antioxidant that protects skin from UV damage, brightens hyperpigmentation, boosts collagen production and reduces inflammation. Human skin cannot produce vitamin C naturally. It must come from food, serums, or supplements. Without adequate vitamin C, skin becomes dull, dry, and prone to wrinkles and slow wound healing. Section 2. Best recommended vitamin C foods for skin glow and collagen. Eating vitamin C-rich foods is the foundation. Dermatologists emphasize that dietary vitamin C enhances the effectiveness of topical serums, because it raises the antioxidant levels in your blood, which then reach the skin. Number 1. Kakadu plum. Kakadu plum provides the highest natural source of vitamin C, containing between 2,300 and 3,150 mg per 100 grams. It is not commonly found fresh but is available as a powder. Dermatologists note it as the most potent food source. Number 2. Acerola cherry. Acerola cherry offers an extremely high range of 1,500 to 4,500 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. It is primarily used in supplements because it is too tart for eating raw. This fruit is favored in clinical formulations. Number 3. Rose hips. Rose hips contain 426 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. They are excellent for making teas and jams. Dermatologists recommend them as a gentle natural source. Number 4. Red bell pepper. Red bell pepper provides 190 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. It is better than oranges for skin health and has low sugar content. This vegetable is highly recommended for daily collagen support. Number 5. Guava. Guava delivers 228 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. You should eat it with the skin on to obtain maximum fiber and antioxidant benefits. It is one of the most underrated fruits for glowing skin. Number 6. Kale. Kale contains 120 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. Raw kale is significantly better than cooked kale because heat degrades the vitamin. Add it raw to salads or smoothies. Number 7. Kiwi. Kiwi offers 92.7 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. Gold kiwi has more vitamin C than green kiwi. Dermatologists suggest eating one gold kiwi daily for skin brightness. Number 8. Broccoli. Broccoli provides 89.2 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. Always steam broccoli lightly and never boil it, as boiling destroys most of the vitamin C. Steamed broccoli retains both nutrients and texture. Number 9. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts contain 85 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. Roast them to retain nutrients instead of boiling. They are a good winter vegetable for skin immunity. Number 10. Orange. Orange has only 53.2 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams. It is good for general health but overrated compared to red bell pepper and guava for dermatological benefits. Do not rely solely on oranges for skin repair. Dermatologist eating protocol and approved meal routine. Eat raw or lightly steamed vegetables as heat destroys vitamin C. Pair with iron-rich food: spinach, lentils. Vitamin C boosts iron absorption for better skin oxygenation. Daily target should be 200-400 mg from food equals 1 red bell pepper plus 1 kiwi. In breakfast, take 1 kiwi plus handful of strawberries. In lunchtime, eat raw red bell pepper slices plus hummus. And at dinner, take steamed broccoli plus grilled chicken. Section 3. Best dermatologist recommended vitamin C serums. Topical vitamin C is more effective than oral supplements for direct skin benefits because it delivers a high concentration exactly where needed. Dermatologists look for 3 things: stability, concentration, and formulation. Top 5 dermatologist recommended serums. First is SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic. It contains 15% LAA with vitamin E and ferulic acid at a pH of 2.5 to 3. It is considered the gold standard and works best for all skin types, especially for anti-aging. Second is Paula's Choice C15 Super Booster. It also has 15% LAA with vitamin E and ferulic acid. It is a more affordable dupe and is best suited for normal to oily skin. Third is Drunk Elephant C Firma Fresh. It provides 15% LAA along with pumpkin ferment and pomegranate. The user mixes it fresh before use, making it ideal for dull and uneven skin. Fourth is Mad Hippie Vitamin C Serum. It uses SAP, which is a gentle form of vitamin C, plus ferulic acid and hyaluronic acid. This formula is best for sensitive and acne-prone skin. Fifth is Timeless 20% Vitamin C plus E Ferulic, which contains 20% LAA with a low pH. It is very affordable and recommended for experienced users dealing with tough pigmentation. What to check before buying a serum? Number 1. Form of vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid, LAA, is the gold standard and most researched form. It must have a pH below 3.5 to properly penetrate the skin. Tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate, THD, is oil-soluble, stable, and less irritating. Sodium ascorbyl phosphate, SAP, works best for acne-prone skin. Magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, MAP, is gentle and ideal for dry or sensitive skin. Number 2. Concentration. Beginners should start with 10% to 15% concentration. Advanced users can use 20%, which is the maximum effective level. Anything above 20% causes irritation without any extra benefit. Number 3. Packaging. Always choose dark glass bottles with airless pumps or droppers. Avoid clear bottles or jar packaging because light and air destroy vitamin C quickly. To apply serums, first, cleanse your face thoroughly. Then, wait 1 minute and apply vitamin C serum only to completely dry skin. Let the serum absorb for 2 to 3 minutes without touching your face. Keep your serum in the refrigerator immediately after opening. Discard it after 3 months or as soon as it turns dark yellow or brown. Section 4. Vitamin C Supplements. I will not tell you much about vitamin C supplements because they need proper prescription, and patient live analysis is crucial for it as they are supplements. Always consult a doctor before starting supplements. Daily requirement is 75 to 90 milligrams. Doses above 500 milligrams offer no extra skin benefit and are excreted. Never take over 1000 milligrams daily without medical advice. Excess causes diarrhea, nausea, and kidney stones risk. Liposomal form absorbs best, but buffered calcium ascorbate is gentle and sufficient for most. The holy trinity for vitamin C skin benefits is eat it plus apply it plus supplement it. No single route is enough. Food alone won't treat pigmentation. Serum alone won't raise systemic antioxidant levels. Supplements alone won't give you the topical antioxidant protection. Use all 3 for real, visible results. I hope you liked this video. Thumbs up and subscribe for latest updates.